Hello and welcome back. This time we'll look at possibly the most popular esoteric language. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that name. It was invented by a guy named Urban Muller. What do those dots mean? To understand what the language does or how it works, it's best to illustrate it in my opinion. You've got an array or a list of cells, a pointer that starts at the leftmost cell, and each cell is initiated to 0. The whole language consists of 8 characters in total. You've got a plus sign that increases the value of the cell to which the pointer points at. You've got the minus, which, decreases the value of the cell. The angled bracket that points to the right moves the pointer to the right. The other one moves it to the left. We've got a dot, which prints out the ASCII character associated with the value in the current cell. The comma can take input. And then there are the square brackets that signify the start and end of loops. The program will only enter a loop if the cell is higher than 0 and exit if the cell is empty. Now that we know how the language works, let's see it in action. Now, I won't do a full-on Hello World program because that's just going to be too long. So I'll just do hi. Capital H is 72 and lowercase I is 105. So we can do that. First thought that comes into mind is we can do a whole bunch of plus and then just print it out. But there's a much more compact way to do it. So we can use a cell, an element in the list as a counter. So we can initiate the first cell to, let's say, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we can times that by 10. So we get 70. So we go to the cell to the right, add 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back to the first cell and decrease it. So what happens is we use the first cell as a counter, and then the second cell gets us to 70. So yeah, then we can go back to the second cell, add 2, print it out, and to reuse it, we can get it back to 0 and go back to the first one. Now we copy this, and for the I, that's 105, we'll need 3 more here, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 3 more here as well. And let's see, 72, printed capital H, it's clearing the cell right now. Next one, and printed high. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next one.